Ayun nga mga Jai, nabigyan tayo ng mangga. First time ko lang nabigyan ng mangga or nabigyan ng kung ano-ano dito sa US. First time. Akala ko wala na sa mundong lilipatan ko yung makakaranasan ako na mabibigyan ako habang nag-walk kami ni Fancy. Ayan. Kung sa Pilipinas naman mga palangga, ang Adidas ay kinakain. Yung Adidas naman ay kinakain. At tayo, sumusuot tayo ng Adidas na brand. Dito sa US, si Fancy. May Adi Dog. Sangka. Panoorin nyo, hoy. Panoorin nyo yung lahat ng store. Kaya ako nabigyan ng mangga. Anyway, that's all for today's video. See you dyan. Kailangan panoorin nyo yung tatatatatatatatatatatat lahat. See you. Tignan nyo, labas ang dila. Oh, ganyan. Nag-walking. Walking with my dog. Episode 1. Yung buhok ka, Jose Rizal. So that's all for today's video. Sana masaya kayong napanood ako for today. And yes, panoorin niyo yung buong story. See you hanggang sa nagkamangga. Alright, so good morning. I'm with my dog for a morning walk. Come on, honey. We're up for walking. And there's the dogs. Come on, come on. Don't be scared. They're saying hi. Come on. There are also chihuahuas here. Hi. Come on. Come on. They're saying hi. No, don't be scared. Come on. So, what are they? Bark at them. You say, ow, ow, ow. You say hi. So yes, there are also chihuahuas here, and they keep barking on her. Come on, come on, come on. So before we left at home, I already just get the coffee. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Fan, come on, let's go, baby. So we actually went outside, and it seems like it's showering. Let's go! Sunglasses pa ako. Because I wanted to actually get ready and kapag nag-unleash na yung power ni Mr. Sun. Come on, come on, come on, let's go! Ni Mr. Sun, we are ready. So, masyado tayong naghanda. Nagsa-shower pala siya. So, ayan. Kung ang tao sa Pilipinas kumakain ng Adidas, sumusuot ng Adidas, dito sa Miami, si Fancy, may Adi Dog. Wait. Let's go. Ayan. Naglalakad ulit kami doon sa... Let's go! So, ayan, ganyan siya. Sniff, sniff. Mahilig siya mag-sniff. Ang haggard ko today. Diba? So, lumabas lang kami. Di na ako nag-sunscreen. Dapat nag-sunscreen ako. Come on, come on. Let's go. You wanna go back? Okay. So, ayan. Ganyan siya kapag in-invite mong you wanted to go back. Hindi na siya ginanahan. Ayaw niya mapalayo sa bahay. So, ayan. Wala. Desisyon. Babalik kami. Come on. Yun ang desisyon. Ang cute ng mga chihuahua. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come here. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. How many chihuahua you have? 3? I have 1. Thank you. Huh? Sure. You wanted to say hi? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. So, ayan. Say hi. Hi. You see, ow, ow, ow. Hi. How are you? This is Fancy. Yes, isn't she gorgeous? This is Fancy. Yeah. Say hi. And she's in the clothes. Yes. You liked her? Mm-hmm. You liked her? This is Fancy. Bibigyan kami ng mango. Ng ano. Ng may-ari niya. Oh my God, that's too much.
You know what? I have so much mangoes.
Yes.
I don't know what to do with them.
Oh. You tried to do shakes?
I do, but
Or
I've been eating mangoes for months now. I cannot.
it's hot here.
Huh?
You can also dry them. That's what we do in Philippines.
You know what?
Dried mango, and then you can eat it during when there's no mango.
I've been freezing them. Been making mango smoothies, eating mango salad.
Oh my God, yes.
Help
Anyway.
me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
You
So
know
this
what?
is Fancy.
That is the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my life.
This one.
That is.
She has Abby dog. I used to dress her because I am a designer.
You
So,
know what? And
what?
she is too adorable. I can't.
Her name is Fancy.
Well, that is a perfect name.
Come here. So I also put her something on.
So you fulfill. So I gave the mangoes for the right person because I'm Brazilian. So we very much alike with the food.
Oh, okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You have a great day.
You.
Yes, we have mangoes.
Oh, adorable little one.
Oh, let me
Let's
fix.
go, guys. Let's go
Yeah.
inside.
They say hi to her as well. Bye. Thank you. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait for me, bebe. Wait. I-fix lang natin. Tignan nyo, guys. Binigyan nila ako niyan. Hala, ang bait niya. Wait lang. Come here. Naglakad lang tayo, may biyaya. Diba? Ganon dito. Maglalakad ka lang dito, may biyaya. Bibigyan ka rin po kayo. Basta nagustuhan ka ng tao. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Fancy. We're gonna have like fruit shakes. May dala-dala na kami. So, hindi ko na kayo hindi ko na kayo tutur. Charot. Nag-tour. Wait lang. Inikot mo sa akin, be. Sa bewang ko talaga. Wait lang. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga dala-dalang mangga. Diba? Oh. Mangga. Ang sarap ng amoy. Ang sarap. Oh, hindi niya na daw alam kung paano niya kakainin yung mga mangga. Nagmamangga salad na daw siya. Nakakatuwa naman yun. Sinasalad pala ang mangga. Oh, let's go. Wait for me, mahal. Yan. Gustong gusto nila si Fancy. Alam niyo kung bakit. Kasi si Fancy ano siya, very magnetic. Beauty queen. May magnetic siya na side. Na, pag nakita mo talaga siya, ano mo talaga siya. Tit. Ganon. Madami yung naggaganon sa kanya. Bebe, wait a minute. Wait for me. Come on. No. Should I take you? Ole, let's go. Wait a minute. Let's go to the road. Go down, come down to the road. Yes. Diba? Nakakaintindi siya. Ganyan. So ako, kapag kunwari wala akong kausap sa buhay, si Francie, dyan siya. Hindi na ako sa sumasagot. Never lang siya sumasagot. Ay, naku. Nagkaroon tayo ng madaming mangga. Ang dami talaga. Siguro mga nasa 5 kilo to. Oo. Isang plastic. Plastic ng sandamakmak na mangga. Binigyan tayo. Ang swerte ko naman ngayong araw. Nabigyan ng mangga. Mukha na ako mangga. Konti, Indian pa lang. Indian mango. Pabilog. Yan. May mga aso na naman, babe. Come here na, Yes. Ay. Diba? Kaganyan na lang natin yung mangga. Nakakatuwa. Alam mo na wala yung pagod ko. Yan na, nakita niya na meron doon sa kanyang area. Territorial siya. Ayan. Naka-adi dog. Mainit. Diba? Napagod ako pero natuwa ako. Nakakatuwa yung mga ganitong naglakad ka lang, wala kang nilabas sa pera pero nagkamangga. Ay naku. Balik na tayo sa bahay. Ate ng buko. Oh my love, we got a lot of mango. Ayan oh. My God. Sobrang dami. Ang dami, B. Ilan kaya ito? Bilangin natin. Binigyan ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alam ko, sa Pilipinas lang yung, di ba, nagbibigay. Dito din pala. First time ko itong mabigyan. So, first time ko mabigyan ng mangga. 13! Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. Nasa 13. Lalagay natin siya dito. So anyway, that's all for today's video. Napagod yung aking fans. Tignan yung dila niya. Wait lang. Yes. Yung dila niya. Yes, your tongue is out again. Oh, diba? Ah, cute. Kung sa Pilipinas may Adidas, yung Adidas kinakain. Yung ng chicken. Tayo nagsusuot din tayo ng Adidas. Si Francie may Adi. Meron Ano siya? Adidog. Social. Sia. Kay Elizabeth pala, na from Brazil. If you are actually watching, if you watch this video, thank you so much. Thank you sa pamangga mo. Thank you for the mango. Bye!